Oh, that was terrible sleep. It was the shittest sleep I think I've ever had. The boat is literally like rolling so hard, and all the rest of the boats in that bay are not even moving, so that's super annoying. Why are we moving and no one else is moving?
No, we are. Just give them a second. They all move at different times. Let's see how we're not now. Look at that little blue one in the back in a second. Blue one there now.
Looks pretty still to me. Anyway, time for a shower of somewhat. Having showers on the boat is beautiful in the warmer months, and with this platform it's been very easy not to have to get straight in, or at all if you don't want to, because it's quite scary actually looking into the murky water and kind of going, do I really want to get in there today? I'm not gonna lie, you're not the cleanest after being on the boat for a few days, but it's the closest thing to feeling fresh just after a quick little saltwater splash. After a quick little splish splash, we had to go to the shops because we've been putting off getting all the stuff to do the little tasks around the boat. This was pretty important as we'd set the date to sail up to Townsville next week. I always tend to forget that when you have a boat, you actually don't necessarily have a car, so we had to walk to town and carry it all back in the backpack.
Okay.
Might use the green one. Need some bleach.
There's a bit of a bloody scrub-dub-dub. Give us a wave.
Hello. Oh, what a dream. This was just coming off so well. Look how wide it goes. Now this is all happening while we're moving. I thought I'd record this to show everybody how much a boat actually moves on the water. This is in 4 times the speed, so it's constantly getting chucked around by the winds and the waves. And like most of the time you don't even feel it. It's when you come off the boat onto land for the next few days or hours, most people get like a little bit wobbly. So you think the whole world's moving when really you're just standing still because you've been constantly trying to counter this weird movement the whole time, which is weird to get used to start with. I'd had enough of the boat by this time. It was about 4 o'clock, sun was setting and we called it. Probably a bit of sunstroke, like asleep, and we were just off the boat. So we headed to town, and of course the dinghy didn't start and we'd taken the rope off and sailed off. I've got to get better actually at recording this because I missed that whole part, but here's second go after we paddled the dinghy back to the boat, got the motor started, and tried again. The best part about boating is that we can rock up to any of these spots wherever you want and then dinghy in and we can have dinner at this beautiful location. This one's the boat club in Airlie, so it's called 22 degrees below, I think. 22 degrees south. Holy moly, we're going to get a seafood tower for $2 and you get a bottle of wine. So it's a bit of a bargain and you get to enjoy seafood that you'd assume would be the freshest seafood, which is often hard to find. So let you know how it goes. How's this look? Oh my god.
No, but there's actually just a fucking shit ton of jobs to be done.
Yeah, but I'm so excited. Like, I know I won't be doing a lot of them, but I'm excited to see it all get done so I know more about the boat.
It's like, I would much prefer to fuck with the fuel lines that I have no idea about. And, you know what I mean? It's just like, I am until there's some sort of small thing where I'm like,
You'd rather
I'm
do
more
that.
into that for some reason, you know? Like,
I'd much rather sit on my computer and edit.
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
I'd fucking do a video on how to tie a bow line, and I'd have more fun doing that than I would, like, you know. I think we might take a generator out somewhere. I think I'll feel bad at the marina, I reckon.
What? No way. That's what it's there for. What's the point? Turn around, do a spin. Oh, low profile. Oh, does that feel great? Alright, can someone tell me why boats don't have lights? Apart from our nav light, there's actually no way to tell where our boat is. We struggle significantly. And this concludes another jam-packed weekend on the boat before we sail up to Townsville next week. Bye.